In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter date of birth in Excel. We will go step by step so you can quickly see only the dates you care about, like people born in a certain year or month. First, launch Excel on your device. Once it opens, you will see the start screen with a list of recent files on the left and some template thumbnails on the right. If Excel goes straight into a blank workbook instead, that is fine. It just means it was left in that state the last time you used it. Next, open an existing book. Click on the workbook that already contains your list of people and their dates of birth. You can pick it from the recent list or browse to find it on your computer. When it loads, you should see your columns of data, including the column that holds the date of birth values, usually with a header at the top such as date of birth or DOB. Now click any cell inside your data table. Make sure you click a cell that is inside the block of data, not an empty cell off to the side. When your cursor is inside the table, Excel can detect the full range, which lets the filter feature apply to the entire list rather than to just one column on its own. From there, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. Look toward the upper part of the Excel window and click the word Data near Home and Insert. When you switch to the Data tab, the ribbon below changes to show tools for sorting, filtering, and working with data. You should see groups like Sort and Filter, Data Tools, and Forecast. Next, click the large filter button, the one that looks like a funnel. It lives in the Sort and Filter group near the left side of the data ribbon. As soon as you click it, small drop-down arrows appear in the header cells of each column of your table. That tells you filters are now turned on for all those columns. After that, click the drop-down arrow on your date of birth header. This opens a menu specific to that column. At the bottom of this menu, you will see a list of years, and next to each year there may be a plus sign or a right arrow icon. Click those plus or arrow icons to expand a year and reveal the months and sometimes days contained in your data. This structure lets you drill down from year to month to specific dates. Now, uncheck Select All and check only the specific years, months, or days you want to view. When you clear Select All, everything becomes unchecked. Then you can tick just the boxes that match the date of birth range you need. As soon as you press OK, your worksheet hides all rows that do not match those dates, and only the matching birthdays remain visible in the table. You have now used Excel filters to show only the rows that match specific dates of birth. If this helped you target the right birthdays, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Excel tips.